coughs before periods. Period lasts one day only. Medicine Argentum Nitricum. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं। मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। द पर्पज ऑफ नॉलेज शेयर्ड हियर इज़ ओनली एजुकेशनल and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Friends, today we shall know when to use medicine Argentum Nitricum in coughs before periods. Period lasts one day only. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। मेडिसिन Argentum Nitricum. Cutting pain in right ovarian region and back. Pain in ovarian region radiating to sacrum and thighs. Metrorrhagia. Coitionpainful followed by bleeding from vagina. Pains like sticks or slivers in and about womb, excited whilst walking or riding and by evacuation of bowels, prolapsusuteri. Uterussoftened, metrorrhagia with horrible pains in abdomen and hips. Granulations on cervix uteri. Prolapsus with ulceration of os or cervix. Ulcers of uterus, bleeding. Hemorrhage of short duration, shooting pains through abdomen and stomach. Prolapsusuteri. Uterinehemorrhage with much trouble in head. Metrorrhagia returns in short attacks. Region of ovariespainful with pains radiating to sacrum and thighs. Metrorrhagia in youngwidows. Prolapsusuteri. Metrorrhagia in sterility and in those who have borne no children. Prolapsusuteri. Metrorrhagia with nervous erethism at change of life. Climaxis, flushes, congestive headache, nosebleed, congestion to the chest, melancholy, nervous erethism, itching of skin. Always coughs before periods. Dyspepsia. Monthly period is regular but attended with a great deal of pain. Coming on a day before each period makes her feel horribly faint. Gastric ulcer. Menses too early, profuse, long-lasting, with headache. Cutting is in small of back and groin. At night, tormenting pressure in precordia. Internal trembling in epigastrium. Menses irregular, too soon or too late, too copious or too scanty, but always with thick coagulated blood. Menses clotted. Menses too early, too profuse and too long. Menses now too soon and at other times too late. Irregular. Prolapsusuteri. Menses scanty. Asthma. Prolapsusuteri. Her monthly period lasts one day only. Pain ceasing with a free discharge. Gastric ulcer. Leucorrhea. Mucus bloody. corroding, yellow and profuse, prolapsusuteri, disposed to abortion during pregnancy, stomach feels as if it would burst with wind, head feels expanded, puerperal convulsions, spasms preceded by a sensation of general expansion, mostly of face and head. Sometimes, just after an attack, she lies quiet, but before another, she becomes very restless, has a presentiment of an approaching attack. Serious mama, nipples sore from nursing, suckling infants die early, have marasmus from weaning, diarrhea. Dose Argentum Nitricum 6, 12 and 30 potency 1 to 2 drops in 10 ml water 4 times a day or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.